Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. In this video, we will learn about how to wrap text, how to unwrap text, how to merge text, and how to unmerge text with the help of shortcut keys and without shortcut keys. So I will explain the shortcut keys at the end of the video, so stick around the video till the last. So I have example with the three columns. I can see my first column with the name, but I can see the names is not fully fit in within the cell. So here the wrap text function help us to improve this presentation. So I will select all those cells where I want to wrap the text within the cell and then go to the format tab, and from the format tab you can see the wrapping option, and from here you can see the second one, wrap. If I click this one, so it will wrap all those cells, wrap all those texts within those cells. So if I want to unwrap my text, again go to format and wrapping, and you can see the overflow first one, and it will unwrap my all those texts. So this was the about wrap and unwrap. So next thing is about merge and unmerge cells. So for example, I have these two cells and I want to merge these two cells. So I go to the Format tab, and then you can see the Merge Cells options and Merge All. Click this one, and now these two cells have been merged and made it a one big cell. So if I want to unmerge that cell, go to Format, again, Merge Cells, and last one, Unmerge option. It will unmerge my both cells. It will go back to the old style. So this was about the how we can manually wrap text, unwrap text, merge and unmerge. Now, how can I use shortcut keys to wrap text? So the shortcut key to wrap my these cells, to wrap text within these cells, I will press Alt O W W. If I press Alt O, keep holding Alt and then O W W, so it will wrap my text within those cells. How can I unwrap the text with the help of shortcut key? Again, Alt O W O. So it will unwrap my text with the help of shortcut key. So next one is merge. Again, if I want to merge these two cells, the shortcut key is Alt O M A. So Alt O M A will merge these two individual cells. How can I unmerge those cells? I will press Alt O M U. So if I press Alt O M U, so it will unmerge those cells again. So these were the shortcut keys to merge and unmerge cells. Hit the like button if you like this video, and if you want to watch more Google Excel tutorials, then stick around with this channel.